Hello and welcome to Sikkim Chronicle. Well, Sikkim ko lagi khushi ko khabar for the very first time Sikkim bata in fact Formula 4 जुन नेशनल रेसिङ च्याम्पियनसिप छ यसमा स्पेशली सिक्किमको एकजना रेसरले पार्टिसिपेट गरिरहनु भएको छ। इनफ्याक्ट योभन्दा अघि पनि मिस्टर छङ लामाले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नुभएको, तर फर्मुला 4 मा चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम हर्षित शारदा विल बी रिप्रेजेन्टिङ इन एमआरएफ नेशनल रेसिङ च्याम्पियनसिप। वेल, हामीसँग मिस्टर हर्षित शारदा हुनुहुन्छ एन्ड इनफ्याक्ट ही कम्स फ्रम टिबेट रोड इन Gangtok. Let's talk with him and let's have a conversation as what does it mean for a racer like him to participate in this kind of national championship. Harshit, first and foremost, many congratulations. Let me ask you, as a racer, participating in this championship, what does it mean for you?
First of all, thank you so much to give me this opportunity where I can speak myself out. Racing, to me, it means right now to me is like it's like a dream come true. I'm very happy and proud to represent Sikkim. That I'll be representing Sikkim next year in Formula National Racing Championship.
So when is the event being held?
The official calendars are not yet launched, but it will start from February 2025.
So can you tell us, the process you went through to be selected in the championship?
My journey for Formula 4 started this year only, May. I went for a couple of trainings. I finished my 6-7 trainings. Now I have started hitting the professional timings. So yeah, now I have got the control of the car and now I am qualified to participate in the National Racing Championship.
What is your present time limit?
My present timing is 1 minute 19 seconds and I am 2 seconds far from the professional timings what my coach and all are hitting. So I'll get to that level also very soon. Yes.
So motor racing is something very new even for journalists like us, because we never often discuss about this in the state of Sikkim, right? So tell us, how did it happen for you, especially what sparked the interest on you?
So my journey started back in 2017. I was introduced to sim racing, which my coach had opened in Pani House, named Race Planet. So I was trained there for 1 year, and 2018 I participated in national Amateur Cup 2018, which was held locally in Sikkim. So I won that championship, and now that thing boosted me and motivated me, and my coach Chewang Lama, he also motivated me to go and try real life racing. So then 2018 I went to Mumbai for go-kart training in Reo Racing, and I was trained by Mr. Reoman Banerjee. He is also a very known racer, which he has been retired right now. So I was trained there, and after my training, just after my training, I participated in go-karting competition, and I secured 4th position there.
Great. So motorsports comes as a very expensive sport as far as I know, right? So I just wanted to understand from you, are you looking for a sponsorship in fact to participate?
Yes, for training also, my parents, my family, everyone has supported me, and they still support me so much. Now as I am qualified for National Racing Championship, and yeah, it's little bit expensive, but I seek sponsorship from government. It will be so nice, it will be better that they support me, because I am the only one doing it from Sikkim, and I am very proud to represent Sikkim, and it will be a promotion for Sikkim as well, and people will start knowing Sikkim, because when people ask me there, where are you from, I am very happy and proud to say that I am from Sikkim, and their reactions are very nice. They are very happy that from Sikkim also there are people who are interested in motorsports.
So what makes a good and ideal race driver? What are the qualities you need to be a good driver?
You have to be, first of all, you have to be disciplined. You have to be consistent with what you are doing. You have to have the control of the car. You have to be consistent, and you have to be disciplined. You have to sacrifice many things, like partying and all, everything, because that can screw up your mind, mental health. You have to have a nice mental health. You have that's all.
So let's come to training part. So you are taking training from
team. Yeah, I have been taking training from DTS Racing Team, which is in Coimbatore, and my coach, he's Diljit sir. So I'm taking training from him. He's also a multiple national champion winner. Yeah,
So how rigorous is the training?
training is very hard.
Mm-hmm.
The training I went for are mostly 2 days. So 2 days I go for training. I drive more than 100 laps. So going there, sitting in this car, people think that you just have to drive. It's not so easy to drive. Wearing that suit, it's not a normal road car. Everything is different in those race cars. It's like proper natural. It's raw. No electronics, no ABS, no traction. You have to understand the braking. You have to understand your turning point. Everything is very important, and it requires a great mental health and state. Yeah.
Exactly, that's very important. And Harshit, congratulations once again. Is there anything finally you want to transpire to our audience?
I'm very happy and proud. Lastly, and same thing I would like to say, I'm very happy and proud that I'll be representing Sikkim. And yeah, I seek some support from Sikkim government. If they support me for this thing, it will be much better. Yeah.
All right, we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Harshit, who in fact has been selected to represent Sikkim in the upcoming MRF National Racing Championship next year. And please do send lots and lots of best wishes to Harshit, and we pray that you get a good sponsorship to participate so that
Definitely.
Sikkim is promoted in the national level.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
With
much.
camera person Ashish Gurung, this is Nirmal saying goodbye. Thanks for watching Sikkim Chronicle.